guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lovely Erica, and it's getting hot in here. I'm not sure if it's just me, but I'm smelling a little bit of smoke. You get it? You hear the smoke? Because it's Smokey Eye. It is just me laughing in this room. Alright guys, so I am super excited to be bringing this look to you guys. I pretty much posted this on my Instagram. This is another look that I got told, girl, you need to film it. So I am here and I filmed it for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy this look, hunty, because it is hot in here and you is gonna be a showstopper when you walk in with your smoky eye look, you know what I'm saying? So we're really about to have a lot of fun. Now, this is where we get into the serious part of this whole thing. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're doing. You're here, you enjoy me. I enjoy your company. Hello, welcome. Come in, subscribe to my channel, and you'll get to see some hair, some beauty, things of that nature. I even added a story time. So if you haven't watched that video, you need to. So be sure you are subscribed to my channel and you get to be in the know with all of my videos. And without further ado, we're gonna get into this smoky eye look, guys. So let's jump right into the video.
Hey guys, alrighty, so these are my eyes. I just put down some concealer and I will put the name of the palette that I use. It is from Sephora, just to really clean up my brow and then add the concealer over. And I set my eyes with RCMA powder. So now I'm just going to be going in and using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So the first color that I'm going to use is called Jacz. So I'm just really putting Jacz above my crease and into my crease area, and you really want to blend this out and make sure that you are really taking your time to make sure it's blended. The color just needs to be a little apparent after you put down your black for your smoky eye. So I'm really going to be blending this in and making sure I'm working back and forth so that the color is very apparent. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their cream color, and I'm using the color Jet. I love this tip, this trick, however you want to call it. But you literally take the gel liner and you will put it down all over your lid. So I'm using a Real Technique brush, and I'll be sure to put all the names of the brushes down below so you guys know. But you literally take it from the pot and you apply it all over your lid, and this is kind of what aids in giving you that really nice black smoky effect. So tip for anyone who doesn't know, use your cream liner. I said gel, I meant to say cream. Use your cream liner and apply this all over your lids. So now I'm going to be going in with another one of the Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to be blending this all together. I want to be sure that the cream is not separated, or looks like it's not all together. So this is my way of blending it and making sure that I'm putting it a little bit into my crease area, because for the next step I'm going to be going back into my Jaclyn Hill palette now, taking this is a MAC brush, and I'm going to be blending the cream liner with the Abyss eyeshadow shade, which is black, in her palette. And this is when I'm going to be working it into my crease and a little bit above my crease as well. And you want to be as diligent as possible, because if you can see around my black eyeshadow, you can still see the first transition shade that I put down. That is the key. So once you've got it blended and you're good to go and you're satisfied, then you can move on to the next step. So for me, I am now going to be putting on my lashes. These are from Ardell, and I will be putting the name down below. It was really weird for me to put these on during the camera, during filming, but I got it, so I'm happy with that.
Alright guys, I went ahead off camera, did the rest of my face, and now we're just gonna pretty much get into my under eye and applying my lip color to my lips. I'm just gonna go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take a mix of pretty much the black and the color to the left of the black, which is like a dark brown, and just dip my brush into there like so. Tap off some excess and just work under my eye. Just gotta be sure I am careful in blending. I really hate my under eyes because they're really wrinkly. I really hate my under eye. I wish I did not have these wrinkly under eyes. But you gotta take what God give you, you know what I'm saying? Work it in, work it in. We're also gonna do another thing with the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my glow kit from Anastasia, and right in the tear duct section here, I'm gonna add a little glowage, cause who ain't trying to be popping and shining every and anywhere, okay? So I am using the color Bronzed from this palette, and just kind of just popping that in there. Nothing crazy, just something light. Just something light, you know what I'm saying? Right? Like so. That's it. That's it. Simple, easy. Alright, we're gonna move on to lips. I'm just going to line my lips with my NYX pencil. This is in the color dark brown. Now, I personally like to do a little overlinage. I have really small lips, so if that does not apply to you, of course you can always skip that. You don't have to overline your lips. I'm going to be using a brand called Mented. I'm not sure if any of you guys have heard of Mented Cosmetics, but they had sent me out their holiday collection. And so I'm going to be using this color. This is the color Mauve Over. Mauve Over, bitch. So I'm going to be using the color Mauve Over. This is what she looks like. It's a beautiful color. And I think, oh yeah, see, that's nice. Glides on very well. Dofa is a great size. Oh, this is cute. Are we feeling it? Ooh, ow. Ooh. Alright guys, well that concludes this video. I hope that you really enjoyed it. This was another fun one to do. I pretty much put this look on my Instagram and you guys fell in love with the look, so I thought it was only right that I went ahead and filmed it for you guys. So I hope that you loved it and enjoyed it, and you do and achieve this look. Don't forget to tag me in the looks if you ever recreate them. Okay? And if you don't have me on social media, you know, I have my social media links down below. I don't know why you're not following me, but I mean, get on it. So please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure you are subscribed. You're already here, you want to be a part of the family, come come be a part of the lovely family, you feel what I'm saying, and subscribe to my channel and support me. And you can also give this video a thumbs up, you know, leave me a comment, say something nice, tell me something, tell me a look, share something with me, guys, okay? Let's become a big old happy lovely family. All right, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.